Hello YouTube! Welcome to New to Start channel with me Wiryo Saputra. Today, I want to share about how to create email on your Siteground hosting. It is so easy and just a couple steps. You can make your email by yourself. Before we go, you can subscribe to our channel by clicking subscribe button and clicking the bell icon to get notification when we are uploading new video for you. Okay, now, let's get started. You can go to the Siteground hosting management, then click the website menu. Click Site Tools. Then click Email Account. Input your desired username for your email and password. After that, you can click Create to create your email account. Now, let's try to test our email by accessing the webmail panel. Click the Action button, then choose Login into webmail. Now, let's try to send an email to the other email account. If it's work, now you can try to reply to your email that you have sent from the Siteground hosting. Check your inbox, and you now have an email from the Siteground hosting. Now you are done. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave your comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get a ton of video tutorials every day. It's free, just click subscribe button, like, then click the bell icon to get notification when our new video is published. Thank you for watching. See you in the next tutorial.